Is the cost of weeding eating into your profits? Are you tired of expensive labor and the constant headache of training them? And ask yourself, how many machines are lying unused in your shed because they can do only one job? Don't let your investment go to waste. What you need is one machine that works at every stage of your crop cycle. Introducing the Oleo-Mac 766 Power Weeder, your complete farming partner. From primary tillage to break hard soil and prepare the field, to inter-cultivation and weeding that protects your crops, to mixing fertilizers and manure evenly into the soil, to earthing up for crops like potatoes and sugarcane, and final field preparation for the next sowing. One Oleo-Mac 766 Power Weeder, every stage, every season. Where ordinary machines give up after a few seasons, the Oleo-Mac Power Weeder 766 is built for the long run. 6 HP petrol engine with 212 cc power. Heavy-duty gearbox with high, low and reverse gears. 100 centimeters working width and 15 to 30 centimeters working depth. This machine doesn't just work, it lasts. When one Oleo-Mac can do it all, why spend on 3 different machines? Save money on maintenance, labor and training. Increase your efficiency. Choose Oleo-Mac Power Weeder 766. Contact Eurofarm today. Oleo-Mac, our power, your passion.